Hey there, tech enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to delve into how you can join the iOS 17 public beta. It's an exciting journey that allows you to experience new features before they're released to the mainstream. First, we need to understand what a public beta is. It's essentially a version of the software that's still in development. Apple releases it to the public so they can receive feedback and fix any bugs before the official launch. Now, let's get started on how you can join the iOS 17 public beta. The first step is to sign up for the Apple Beta Software Program. You can do this by visiting their official website and clicking on the Sign Up button. After signing up, you need to enroll your device. Remember, it's crucial to back up your data before enrolling because the beta version might have some bugs that could potentially erase your data. Once you've backed up your data and enrolled your device, you can install the iOS 17 public beta. To do this, go to Settings, then General, and finally, Software Update. Here, you'll find the option to download and install the iOS 17 public beta. After installation, you can start exploring the new features of iOS 17. Remember, as a member of the public beta, your feedback is valuable to Apple. So, if you encountered any bugs or have any suggestions, make sure to report them. That's all for today, folks. Remember, joining the iOS 17 public beta is a journey filled with excitement and discovery. Happy exploring!